Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Learning. Kids, in today's video we are going to learn about the letter Z. Z. It's a capital Z and it's a small Z. Kids, do you have Z sound? Z. Z. So let's learn more words that start with letter Z. Zero. Zero. Z for zero. Zoo. Zoo. Z for zoo. Zebra. Zebra. Z for zebra. Zigzag. Zigzag. Z for zigzag.
Thank you for watching. To watch more like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.